Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today I want to talk about something very special, something that most people are chasing without even realizing it. It's not money.
It's not fame.
It's not success. It's peace. Yes, peace of mind. That calm feeling deep inside you when you're not anxious, not comparing, not pretending, just being. In today's world, peace has become the new luxury. It's something rare, precious, and powerful. Everyone talks about wanting happiness, but the truth is, what we really want is peace. Because without peace, even happiness feels heavy. Let's be honest, life today is louder than ever. Notifications, deadlines, social media, messages, pressure, noise. Everywhere you look, something or someone is demanding your attention. You can't even sit quietly for a minute without your phone lighting up or your mind wandering to the next thing. We live in an age where everything is fast, and fast food, fast internet, fast success. But the faster we move, the more peace we lose. Isn't it strange? We've made life easier with technology, but we've made our minds more complicated. We have more comfort but less calm. More followers but fewer real friends. More entertainment but less satisfaction. Once upon a time, people used to sit together and talk. Families had dinner without screens. People used to look at the sky, not their phones. They worked, but they also rested. Today, everyone is running, but nobody knows where they're going. And when you ask someone, "How are you?" the most common answer is, "Busy." Busy has become a badge of honor. But what's the point of being busy if you're not peaceful? What's the point of working hard if your mind never rests? Peace is not something you buy. It's something you build. You can have everything. A big house, a good job, money in the bank, and still feel empty. And you can have very little, but if you have peace, you feel rich. That's why I say peace is the new luxury. It's the one thing money can't guarantee. You can buy comfort, but not contentment. You can buy a bed, but not sleep. You can buy entertainment, but not inner joy. True peace comes when your heart and your mind are not fighting with each other anymore. Let me tell you a small story. There was once a king who wanted to find out what true peace looked like. He asked all the artists in his kingdom to paint a picture of peace. Hundreds of artists participated. Some painted calm blue oceans, some drew mountains with snow, some painted sunsets and gardens. But one painting caught the king's attention. It showed a waterfall, loud, powerful, crashing down with full force. But behind that waterfall, hidden in a small corner, was a tiny bird sitting peacefully in its nest. That, the king said, was the picture of true peace. Not a life without noise or challenge, but a calm mind in the middle of it all. That story teaches us something deep. Peace doesn't mean escaping the world. It means staying calm inside while the world moves around you. You can't always control what happens outside, but you can always control how you respond inside. Life will never be completely peaceful, but you can be. That's real power. But here's the question. Why do we lose our peace so easily? The biggest reason is comparison. We look at others, their success, their lifestyle, their looks, and we start feeling less. Social media has made this worse. We don't see real life anymore. We see highlight reels. Everyone seems happy, successful, perfect, and you start believing that you're behind. But my friend, peace disappears the moment you start comparing. You can't be at peace while constantly wishing for someone else's life. The only way to find peace is to focus on your own path and progress. Another reason we lose peace is because we keep holding on to the past or worrying about the future. We replay old mistakes again and again, or we fear what might happen tomorrow. But peace lives in the present. It's right here, in this moment, in this breath. The past is gone, the future hasn't come. All you truly have is now. When you learn to live in the present, peace becomes your natural state. You may ask, but how do I find peace in this busy life? Let me tell you, it's not about doing more, It's about doing less. Less noise. Less comparison. Less pretending. Start with small steps. Wake up in the morning and don't check your phone immediately. Sit for 2 minutes and just breathe. Feel grateful for another day. Gratitude is the doorway to peace. When you start appreciating what you already have, your mind stops craving what you don't. Another way to build peace is by simplifying your life. Don't try to please everyone. Don't try to do everything. Learn to say no. Protect your time and energy. You don't have to be available for everyone all the time. Peace begins when you stop trying to fight every battle. Choose what really matters to you and let go of the rest. Also, spend time in silence. In this world full of noise, silence is healing. Sit quietly for a few minutes each day. No phone, no music, no distraction. Just you and your thoughts. You'll start to hear your inner voice again, the one that's calm, wise, and real. That voice gets buried under constant noise, but it never goes away. When you reconnect with it, you find your center again. Peace also comes from forgiveness. When you hold anger or resentment toward someone, it burns your own peace. Forgive. Not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Let go of grudges. Let go of old pain. The more you release, the lighter you feel. And don't forget, your environment matters. If your surroundings are chaotic, your mind will be too. Keep your room clean. Create small spaces of calm, a quiet corner, a plant, a book. Peace grows in order, not in chaos. Sometimes people think peace means being lazy or unmotivated, but that's wrong. Peace doesn't mean you stop growing. It means you grow without anxiety. You can be peaceful and ambitious. You can chase your goals calmly without panic or pressure. That's the real balance, doing your best but not losing yourself in the process. You see, real success is not about how much you earn. It's about how peacefully you can live while earning it. Real confidence is not loud. It's quiet. Real happiness doesn't shout. It smiles softly. Peace is the foundation of everything beautiful. When your mind is peaceful, your thoughts are clear. Your relationships improve. Your health improves. Your creativity increases. Peace is not just luxury. It's power. So today I want you to ask yourself, what's stealing your peace? Is it social media? A toxic relationship? Overthinking? Comparison? Fear? Whatever it is, it's not worth your peace. You can rebuild money, status, reputation, but once you lose your peace, everything feels heavy. Protect it like a treasure. Remember, peace doesn't come from finding a perfect life. It comes from making peace with an imperfect one. It's not about escaping the world. It's about finding calm within the world. The moment you stop fighting everything and start accepting what is, peace starts to grow quietly inside you. So slow down. Breathe deeply. Stop chasing everything. The most beautiful things in life, peace, love, joy, they can't be chased. They can only be created. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks. Let's keep building a life that's not just successful, but peaceful. Because peace is not a luxury anymore, it's a necessity. Thank you for watching, my friends. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep shining.